Okay, good morning, students. Again, we are just starting our class with the next topic, that is tournament. Tournaments was over. There were different types of tournament: knockout, league, then combination. League and knockout is over. Today we will be dealing with knockout, combination tournament. What is a combination tournament? Where the scope of the tournament is too large and it is impossible to conduct a tournament. Then we go for combination tournament. Combination, there are four types of combination tournament, that is knockout come knockout. Knockout come knockout. Best example of combination tournament is All India Inter-University tournament. Here the teams are divided into four zones: East zone, West zone, South zone, and North zone. From that zones, we find out the winners of that particular zone and let them play and find out the winner. So starting with knockout come knockout. What is a knockout? Knockout come knockout tournament. How to conduct it? We are taking just example of four teams, not more than that, from each zone. 1, 2, 3, 4. Is it clear to you? Suppose we are giving this east, west, south, north, or ABCD, anything you can say. From this knockout come knockout. In the first round, each team will play with each other. Each team will play with each other and find out, and the winner will come out from that particular zone. Okay, 1 and 2. Suppose one is the winner, and 3 and 4 is the winner. Out of this, the particular team will come that the team is team A. From this again, the team B, C, and team B. Knockout means starting of the tournament. Again, the teams are using the teams which are losing are eliminated from the first round only, and the next team progresses to the second round. The second round ultimately find out the winner from each zone. So from each zone, suppose team A is coming as a winner. From west zone, team C is coming as a winner. From team south zone and north zone, team B is winner. South zone, team B is winner. Again, we have to conduct a knockout tournament out of these four teams. So which were the teams which were winners? A, B, C, and D. This again, we can say as less teams are there, we can say these are the starting. They are playing the starting of the same. They are playing the same finals only, and ultimately the final. The winner is. So from south zone, north zone, anything which is winning, that is the winner of that particular tournament. Then it comes league come league. In this again the same thing will be there. Again, four teams we are taking again, not more than that. We are taking again four teams. They will playing among each other. One versus two, one versus this. And this is the type of fixture that we will be drawing up. How to prepare a fixture that we will learn in the next topic for the league tournament or end knockout tournament also. Starting with this time telling how to play, how to conduct a tournament, combination tournament. We are going to at this one versus three, one versus four. Versus 3 and this is called staircase method. This is called staircase to draw the picture of particular tournament, particularly to knockout tournament, league tournament. For league tournament, there are two types of methods, that is cycling method and staircase method. So we are going according to staircase. This is from here we will find out that the winner will be A. From XYZ zone, from four zones, the winner is coming as A. Winner is coming as 1. From here, again, 1, 2, 1 versus 2, 1 versus 3, 1 versus 4, 3. Same way, league come league from east. We can say from north zone that winner is coming as A. From south zone the winner is coming as B. From east zone winner is coming as C. And from fourth zone the winner is coming as D. Again, we are having four winners A, B, C, D. Now, how to find out the winner among all these? Again, we will work with A versus B, A versus C, A versus D. Then comes B versus C, B versus D, and C versus D. What was the league tournament in which every team plays with each other? Every team plays with each other and they get opportunity again so that they can prove their ability. Here, the four winners were the ABCD. Whereas you are seeing A is playing with B, as well as C also and B also. So A is playing 3 matches. Then B is playing with C also, B is playing with B also, and C is playing with D also. All the teams are playing among themselves. And on the basis of the point basis, we will find out the winner, who will be the winner after the league tournament is over. Among all the winners from the particular zone, the zone winners have come, and they are playing league tournament, and we will find out who will be the winner. Then two types of we have seen two types of tournament are over. Now comes knockout comes league. Again, same thing will be starting at 1, 2. Similarly, C and D. League. First of all, the teams will be playing knockout tournament in their respective zones. Out of which the winner will emerge, and the winner will emerge and come to the particular venue. And then from particular venue, they will play the league among themselves and to find out the winner. Now, for example, we have taken just an example of two teams only. We have taken a combination of just two teams only. Similarly, then there will be then there will be C and D. Now comes knockout is over, then comes knockout come league. So A versus B, A versus C, A versus B versus and C. Knockout come league. What we have seen that first of all the teams have played knockout in their respective zone. The winner, those who are the winner now they have come to play the league tournament to play the final tournament. And in the final tournament they will play not knockout the league tournament. Now it depends on us how to find out the winner. We can say okay, the winner will be awarded at 3 points, the loser will be awarded at 0 points, and the tie will be given as total number of points which the team will score maximum number of points will be awarded will be declared as the winner. Now knockout league is over. Now comes fourth. League come knockout. League come knockout. What was the first one? Knockout come knockout. Then come league come league. Then came knockout come league. Now fourth one is league come knockout. Again we are taking example. 1, 2, 3. 1 versus 2. It is first. So 1 versus 3. 1 versus 2. 2 versus 3. 4. 3 versus 1 versus 1 versus 1 versus versus 2, that doesn't mean that teams are different from that particular zone. 1 versus 2, here again the teams are different from that particular zone. The teams are not same. A zone will be having different teams, that zone will be having different teams. For example, if we are same phase zone is comprised of university like Rajasthan University and University like Maharashtra, Rajasthan, Gujarat. These state universities will be participating and from there we will find out the winner. So here the winner is coming as A, here the winner is coming as B. Similarly, other zone C and 4 zone A. Each tournament is over. After that comes knockout. To find out the winner of the knockout, because they are playing directly. Here, less number of two, so they are playing directly. Same finals. A, B, C, D. Winner of A and B, and winner of C and D. Winner of A and B will be playing the final, and winner of the C and D will be playing final. Who will win the match will be ultimately the winner. So we have seen four types of combination tournament. Four types of combination tournament. What were they? Knockout come knockout, then came league come league. Knockout come league, and league come knockout. Knockout come knockout directly. The team is eliminated, and ultimately the winner comes. Winner comes, and out of those four winners, we are making them play among themselves. The teams are eliminated, then the winner comes. And league come league, the team is playing among themselves only, and then the team which emerges as the winner, the team which emerges as the winner later on arrives at a particular winning team. Again, the four teams will be playing league tournament among themselves only. Like knockout, they will not be eliminated, but they will be playing tournament. They will be playing matches among themselves only, and the teams scoring maximum number of points, the host has decided that will be the winner. Then a knockout come league. Knockout means out of the particular zones, first of all the teams play knockout. The team which emerged as the winner will be playing. The team which play emerged as the winner will be coming to play the finals. After that finals, then the particular team will be playing league among themselves only, and after playing league only that, but out of that league, again the same number of points, the team which will emerge, which the team having maximum number of points will be declared as the winner. Can be a league. I told the team playing among the team will be having an opportunity to play the matches with all the teams. Out of that, they will decide the winner will decide a particular zone. Then the winner of that zone will be coming to play the tournament at a particular destination. Then at that destination, the tournament will not be league. It will be knockout. It will be knockout tournament. And knockout tournament, directly they will start playing, and they will play the match, and the team which is eliminated will be out of the tournament, and the team which has won will move to the next round, and after that the team which has won the maximum number of matches reaching the final, winning the final, will be declared as the winner. Now, how to know the fixtures? What is the fixture? That is in simple words. Just or we can say how to or divide the team into draws or into half, upper half, lower half. There are two types of tournament over there, league and knockout. First of all, we will be dealing only with league tournament. In league tournament, we can learn how to draw fixture, but two methods are there. First method is staircase. Second method is cycle. Staircase method is just now we have seen what was staircase method in a formation tournament. I have shown you how to draw matches according to staircase method. Cycling method. This method we will be dealing in our next class. So we will be dealing with both the topics, in our next class. So till now our topic which has been over our training in sports. Then comes a different committee to organize a tournament. That is during and post tournament. These committees are there that are there that are formed to conduct the tournament. Then came what is a tournament? A contest held between a individual or a team to find out the the winner of that contest is declared as a tournament. There were different types of tournament over there, knockout, league, then competition. League and knockout tournament we had done before yesterday only in our last class, and today we have done combination tournament. So four types of combination tournament were there: knockout come knockout, then came knockout come league come league, knockout come league, and league come. How to draw the picture for the different tournaments that we will be learning in our next class. Okay, thank you very much, dear students.